Wait for it. It's review time. 复习时间到喽。
Okay, so welcome to review time. We've got a drawing game.
Ooh.
Okay, so I'm going to draw a picture. Now, I don't draw very well, so hopefully you guys will understand what I'm drawing. I'm going to draw a picture of one of our word power words, and Tiffany will try to guess what it is. You can try to guess what it is as well. Can you beat Tiffany? Who knows? Now, I'm going to start drawing here, okay?
All right, let's see what you're gonna do.
I might draw like this because it's a bit easier, and then I'll just show you guys, okay? So I'm gonna draw.
Okay. It's a person.
It's a person.
Okay.
It's not a very good person, but it's a person. And then I'm gonna draw a like
plus. Okay. Bald. No.
Okay. So now we've got two
boy and a
people,
girl.
A boy and a girl. This is a
Okay.
picture of something they're doing. What are they doing in this picture?
Do they know each other?
No.
Not yet. So maybe are they making friends with each other?
Right.
Make friends with.
So the two people together, they're meeting each other, they're making friends with each other. Like I said, not a very good drawer. Maybe Tiffany can draw a picture for me.
All right, so I'm gonna try this one.
Oh, okay.
I have a
We see a ghost here. Now this isn't something we see every day, is it? This is a bit strange.
Yes.
I think this is a bit strange.
He makes a noise.
Maybe it sounds like woo, like that strange noise we talked about in the article. All right, you guys can play this game too. Think of a way you can draw some of these words. Play with your friends. But for today, that's all the time we've got time for. For A+ English, I'm Erin.
I'm Tiffany.
Bye-bye.
Bye.